Got a Toyota Camry here. Pretty standard dents, actually. You can see this dent right in this area right here. And then there's actually a matching one on the other side right here. So what happens is when there's a rear impact, these quarter panels buckle right there. So they put it on the frame rack, straighten it back out, and get everything realigned, and that releases the stress off these quarter panels, and then I can go in there and actually fix them properly. So when we're done, we'll be back to normal. All right, finished up here. Try to get as tight an angle as I can. But these buckles came out great. This is actually a body line right here. Some buckles were in this area. Take a look at the other side. So pretty common dent, especially on Camrys. It's pretty much the only time I ever do this is on a Camry. Some good lines there. So look, all right. Thank you for watching.